Thank you so much for the wonderful introduction, sir. I would like to thank Srini sir and the LT team for giving me the opportunity to talk about my business. I would like to start my presentation with one of the core values of BNI, that is tradition plus innovation. Tradition plus innovation is a classic example of Buloke. So when me and my partner Praneeth Reddy joined together to do the real estate business, we were seasoned realtors as anyone in the market, and we were into various verticals of real estate, doing land acquisitions, doing marketing for the top developers in Bangalore, and then we were also into our own projects. So during this journey, last year we were involved in one of the bulk transactions where a builder was struggling to sell their inventory, and Vani Anna played a key role in doing that particular transaction. And in a single transaction, we were able to close the deal, and we sold the entire tower, which costed more than 100 crores. So that was the trigger point for us to start a crowdfunding company. And then that particular thought, we have put it into action, and then we have formed Buloke, and then we have implemented it successfully, and as you all know, the rest is history. So our business model is very simple. So what we do is we go to the developers, especially the top developers who are there in the market. We buy apartments, villas and villa plots in bulk at a pre-launch stage. So as we buy in bulk, we get a very good discount at a pre-launch stage. And then as we have very good marketing team, we will be exiting our shareholders within 18 months time. So that is our core business model. And in the last 1 year, as I'm talking about the credibility, this is what we have achieved. I still remember I joined BNI on January 18th, and then I got my chance to talk about Buloke for the feature presentation on February 20th. So I still remember that when I was standing in front of you all, we were at 80 crores top line with only one project in hand. In exact 6 months, we were able to achieve 350 plus crores of top line value with 7 projects in hand, and we have 500 plus units of inventory available with us. Then back then in February, we only had 132 apartments, and we raised only 4 to 5 crores of business then in February. But now we have raised more than 50 crores of business. And the beauty is, out of 190 shareholders, what we have in Buloke, I think almost 150 plus are from BNI. So we just have started our journey, and we have successfully completed 1 year anniversary also in Buloke. And our vision is very big, and in the next 10 years, you will see a lot of things happening, and we are aiming to hit minimum 50,000 crores in the next 10 years. This is our portfolio. So we have these 7 projects as of now with us, and as you all know, Pvt Ltd is the first project which we have picked from a subsidiary of Buloke company, where we have bought 132 apartments. As we have promised our investors that we will be able to exit them within 18 months, we have completed this project within 13 months, and we are giving them an exit, and we have sent an official communications, and also WhatsApp official communications also has been rolled out to all the shareholders who have invested in this particular project, and we are giving them more than 30% net profit returns for these investors. So after that, we have invested in assets, and then with Shriram Sapphire, the investment options are closed in this. So the current opportunities what we have is with these 4 projects, that is Shriram 107 Southeast project, Hosa Chiguru, and then with Shobha, and then with Jain Farm. So I'm going to talk about the first LCD, the current opportunity what we have in Buloke. With the Jain Farms, we have picked up about 3.5 lakh square feet of inventory with them. So they have projects in Chikmagaluru and then in Sakeshpura. It is one of the farmland projects which they are doing. So our investment starts from a minimum 5 lakhs. So in order to be a investor in Buloke, the minimum participation is 5 lakh, and then the lock-in period is 18 months. Even though on paper we give 12% as the fixed returns, so we are estimating that we will be able to hit minimum 24 to 30% ROI in this particular project. And the second project what I have is with Hosa Chiguru. Again, we have 34 units. These are mansion plots which they have, which they are developing towards North Bangalore, just 45 minutes from airport. And again, it's 18 months lock-in period, and the minimum participation is 15 lakh. And we are estimating that we will be able to hit around 12 to 25% per annum. So for these particular projects, my specific ask are, so in case if you find during a casual conversations, in case if you find that someone wanting to invest in real estate, they don't want to use the product as the end product, but they just want to invest and then exit within like 18 months or 24 months, that is the right contact for us. Because what happens is generally when they go and buy with the developer, they end up paying 20% initially, and then they have to go for loan, they have to pay EMI for 2 years or 3 years, and then in order to sell the unit, they have to find a buyer for themselves. So eventually what happens is they will not have they will end up having mental tension, and the transaction will be very hassle. So what we will do is, those kind of clients you can actually refer to us. They can just be a part of the company as a shareholder, and we will take care of the entire process, and within 18 months we will give them an exit with maximum profits. And so then we also need to have chartered accountants, CFAs, CFPs, and wealth managers. Individual wealth managers also will be a great connect for us, like Preeti ma'am. We have a lot of collaborative options where we can collaborate with them. They will be making money, and we will also make sure that the investors or the clients who are referring to us will be making money as well. And the investment consultants also a good connect for us, and also the channel partners. So the second opportunity what I have is with Shobha Neopolis. We have purchased 20 units with them, which is costing about 60 crores. So the minimum participation is 20 lakhs. Again, the locking period is 18 months. We are expecting 40 to 25% of profits for that. And then the other project what we have is with 107 Southeast, that's by Shriram Developers. 25 lakhs is the minimum participation with 24 months of lock-in, and we are expecting 40 to 35% returns for this. And we have 2 towers of apartments in this particular project. So again, my ask will be the same as I have asked you before. We are looking out for HNIs, and then wealth managers, investment consultants, channel partners, and NRIs. Channel partners like Dolly Madam and Chandrababu Naidu can help us in selling the units. We have exclusive units available with us. You don't have to go and search for any unit. So all the units are available with us. Just panel with us, and we'll take care of the rest. And these are my gifts. So we have a good connect with all these developers. So we will be able to connect to any of these developers. As Suman sir asked for Shriram Properties, the contact is very next to you. We'll be sharing the mobile number immediately, and you can contact them. So again, during the casual discussions, what to look for and what to say. So in case if you hear any words stating that real estate investment or wealth managers or financial advisors, CSCP or real estate consultants, please do refer to us. And before I close my presentation, I would like to ask members who have invested with Buloke and all the visitors also to rise, please. So now also the members who have referred can also raise.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for your trust.